How to use the Foodpanda voucher. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Foodpanda voucher. Download and open the Foodpanda app on your mobile phone. Make sure that you've logged into your account in Foodpanda. Confirm your location first by selecting the current location. Tap on the three-line icon on the left side of the screen. You will see a pop-up with different options like favorites, vouchers and offers, become a Panda Pro, orders and reordering, and more. Tap on the option Vouchers and Offers. You will see your voucher. Tap on Details showing in pink. You will see the voucher details with the terms and conditions. Review all the terms and conditions and continue. Click Pick Up on the home page. Scroll down and select any restaurant you want. Add food items to your cart from this restaurant. You will see after adding the order to your cart, it will show you a message you've got 15% off. Tap on Review Pickup Order at the bottom of the screen. You will see your order details here. Tap on Apply a Voucher. Enter your voucher code or select the voucher by tapping on Apply. Your voucher will be applied, and tap on Confirm Payment and Address. Add your payment method like cash or card. Then place your order by tapping on the option Place Order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.